Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you the D minor scale. Yeah, with that in mind, let's get right into it. Just one quick note before I play the scale for you guys. The D minor scale is actually the F major's relative minor scale, and on that note, this is what it sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale starts off with the note D, which is played 1 and 3, and for the D you want to get this third valve tuning slide out, just a little less than halfway, so like, I would say right about there is good, maybe a little bit more, and you want to leave that out for the D. The next note is E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. The next note is C, which is played open. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is D, but this time it's played 1 since we are in the upper octave. So those are the notes for the scale. And yeah, I think this is a pretty easy minor scale to learn, considering there's only one flat, which is B flat. And just a quick tip to figuring out the flats and sharps, or more accurately the key signature for minor scales, you just go to the 5th note in the relative major scale. So in this case it's F, so the 5th note in that is D, and then you keep the key signature the same, so that's where we get the B flat from. So yeah, one last time, this is how it sounds like. So hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.